friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will show you how to defrost frozen shrimp quickly. So it's super easy to defrost frozen shrimp, and I'm not going to be using the microwave. There's a better method that I like to use. So we need a frozen shrimp, we need a bowl, and we also need a colander. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put frozen shrimp in a bowl. I'm not defrosting the whole bag. This is 2 pounds. I just need half of it. So here's frozen shrimp in the bowl, and now I'm going to fill the bowl with cold water. So here's enough cold water to cover the shrimp, and just leave it like this for 15 minutes. So now shrimp has been in cold water for 15 minutes, and when I touch it, so it's mostly thawed. It's just there's some pieces of ice and some of them are still stuck together, but inside they're mostly defrosted. So most of the job is done. So now we need to finish the job, and we're going to do it by using running cold water. So we use a colander, and I'm going to drain the shrimp. And I'm going to turn on the cold water and just run this cold water over the shrimp. So see, like they were stuck together, and now I run the cold water over them and they separate. So I just continue doing it to defrost the remaining pieces of ice, because inside they're thawed. It's just the outside pieces of ice that we need to get rid of. So you can just do it for a few minutes until you feel it. All the shrimp are fully defrosted. When you touch them, you actually know if they're thawed. And this cold water gets rid of the remaining pieces of ice just like magic. So I'm just checking them to see if there's any pieces of ice left, and I don't think so. I think I got them all. So the shrimp is fully thawed. See how easy it is? Perfect. So here is perfectly thawed shrimp. That was so easy. For free, easy cooking tips, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for very simple recipe. I have lots of recipes on my channel, on my site using shrimp, so please check it out. So what can you make with the shrimp? You can find it on my channel, on my site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!